Look. Hi.
Hi.
What are you eating?
No, a sushi.
Yes.
You like your sushi man? Are you a sushi man?
Maybe this.
Do it over here. Here, mommy's are a little spicy, sweet cakes. Can you show everybody how you use your sushi sticks? Can you pick up a piece of sushi?
You try it, Liam?
Hmm? Pick up a piece of sushi with your sushi sticks. You can do it.
I'm gonna do this.
Yep. Remember you. Good. I'm gonna hold your little man.
There you go.
All right, babe. You do it. Oh. You want soy sauce? Okay, you got some.
All right, now eat
You
it.
got some. Now put it in your mouth. Very good. You love it?
Wonderful.
You love your sushi?
Wonderful.
You love your sushi or watch a movie?
This is spicy. Remember the red stuff's got spicy on there. Say. Ooh, you got some. Hang on. This is, hot. Mommy's is spicy, honey. Mommy's is very spicy. Keep chewing.
All right.
Excellent. Say. Look at Daddy's fancy dancy plate.
Arigato.
Arigato.